Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In the era of digitalization, money making is no longer confined to the traditional brick-and-mortar establishments. The internet has made it possible for anyone, anywhere, to generate income right from the comfort of their homes or even on the go. There's been a growing trend for making money online, with more people turning to this avenue to supplement their income or even replace their day jobs entirely. This trend is driven by the limitless opportunities that the online world presents, from selling products or services to sharing your skills or knowledge, and even to simply expressing your creativity. The internet is a vast and diverse marketplace, catering to a wide range of skills, interests, and demographics. And with the right tools and guidance, it's easier than ever to tap into this potential and start your own online money-making journey. So if you're curious about how you can cash in on this trend, stay tuned. Before diving in, it's crucial to understand the basics. So let's start with the concept of working remotely. This is essentially when you perform your job from a location outside of the traditional office environment. It could be from your home, a coffee shop, or even a beach in Bali. The idea is that you're not tied to a specific location. Next, we have freelancing. This is when you work as an independent contractor rather than as an employee. You could be a graphic designer, a writer, a coder, or any number of other professions. As a freelancer, you're your own boss. You set your own hours, choose your own clients, and decide how much to charge for your services. Now let's talk about self-employment. This is similar to freelancing, but it's a bit broader. As a self-employed individual, you run your own business. You might have employees or you might not. You might work from home or you might have a physical storefront. The key is that you're in control. You're the one making the decisions and reaping the rewards. Now, no matter which path you choose, there are a few things you'll need. First and foremost, you'll need a reliable internet connection. Whether you're emailing clients, conducting video calls, or uploading your work, a strong internet connection is absolutely essential. Next, you'll need a dedicated workspace. This could be a home office, a desk in your living room, or even a spot at your local library. The important thing is that it's a place where you can focus and get your work done. Finally, you'll need self-discipline. Without a boss looking over your shoulder, it's up to you to stay motivated and meet your deadlines. This can be challenging, but it's also one of the most rewarding aspects of working online. Now that you know the prerequisites, let's explore the various ways to make money online. Freelancing is a popular way to make money online. It's the modern-day gold rush, where your skills are your pickaxe and shovel. The internet is teeming with platforms that connect freelancers with clients in need of their skills. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are like bustling marketplaces where you can set up shop. The beauty of freelancing is that it's a broad church. Whether you're a wordsmith, a web developer, a graphic designer, or a virtual assistant, there's a place for you. The demand for these skills is high, and it's only growing. And if you think your skill is too niche, think again. There's a market for almost anything you can imagine. Setting your rates can be a bit of a balancing act. You want to be competitive, but you also want to make sure you're getting paid what you're worth. A good starting point is to research what others in your field are charging. From there, consider factors like your experience, the complexity of the work, and the value you bring to your clients. Now let's talk about your profile and portfolio. Think of them as your online storefront. They're the first thing potential clients see, so you want to make them as enticing as possible. Highlight your skills, showcase your best work, and don't be shy about singing your own praises. Remember, you're not just selling your skills, you're selling yourself. As with any venture, building a successful freelancing career takes time and patience. It might take a while to land your first gig, and that's okay. Keep refining your profile, keep applying for jobs, and most importantly, keep honing your skills. And don't be discouraged by rejection. It's not a reflection of your worth, but rather a sign that you're one step closer to finding the right fit. It's all part of the freelancing journey. Remember, freelancing success comes with time and patience. So keep digging, and soon enough you'll strike gold. Another effective way to earn online is by sharing your knowledge. So, you're an expert in a certain field? Perhaps you're a whiz at mathematics, a virtuoso violinist, or a seasoned software developer. The online world is teeming with people eager to learn and grow, and they could benefit from your expertise. There are numerous online teaching and tutoring platforms where you can begin this rewarding journey. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare, to name just a few, provide a platform for you to share your knowledge with others. You can create your own courses, set your own prices, and reach a global audience. What's more, these platforms handle all the technical aspects for you, allowing you to focus on what you do best, teaching. Creating engaging lessons is key. Remember, your goal is not just to inform, but also to entertain. Use storytelling techniques to make your lessons more engaging. Use real-world examples and case studies to make complex concepts easier to understand. And always remember to interact with your students. Answer their questions, ask for their feedback, and make them feel involved in the learning process. Marketing oneself effectively is equally important. Use social media to promote your courses. Write engaging descriptions and use compelling visuals to attract potential students. Offer a free lesson or two to give people a taste of what they can expect, and don't forget to ask your students to leave reviews. Positive feedback can boost your credibility and attract more students. But it's not just about the money. It's also about the satisfaction of helping others learn and grow. It's about the thrill of seeing your students grasp a concept you've taught. It's about the joy of sharing your passion and watching it ignite the same passion in others. Online teaching is not just about making money, it's also about enriching others' lives with your knowledge. So why not give it a try? Share your knowledge, earn money, and make a difference in the world one lesson at a time. Scene script. Selling products online is another lucrative option. Now, we all know about the giants of e-commerce, Amazon, eBay, Alibaba. But did you know that there's a whole universe of smaller niche platforms out there? From Etsy for handmade goods to Ticktail for independent brands, there's a platform for practically every kind of product you can think of. Choosing the right platform is just the first step, though. Next, you'll need to decide what you're going to sell. This is where research comes in. What are people looking for? What's trending? What's missing in the market? These are all questions you need to answer. It might seem daunting, but with the right tools and mindset, you'll find that niche that's perfect for you. But selling online isn't just about finding that perfect product. You also need to understand your customers' needs. What do they want? How do they want it? When do they want it? The better you understand your customers, the better you can serve them. And the better you serve them, the more successful your online business will be. Let's not forget about customer service. It's crucial in the world of e-commerce. When a customer has a query or an issue, they expect a quick, efficient, and friendly response. Remember, in the online world, your reputation is everything. A single negative review can turn away potential customers, so always strive for excellence in customer service. And lastly, building a strong brand. Your brand is your identity. It's what sets you apart from your competitors. It's what makes customers choose you over someone else. Your brand should reflect your values, your vision, and your promise to your customers. It should be consistent across all your platforms and channels, and it should be something that you're proud of. E-commerce is a vast and exciting field. It's not always easy, and it takes a lot of hard work, but the rewards can be substantial. And remember, the only limit is the one you set for yourself. With e-commerce, the sky's the limit. So we've covered various avenues to make money online. Let's quickly recap. First, we delved into the basics of the digital economy, laying the groundwork for your online journey. We then explored freelancing, a realm where your skills translate directly into earnings. Whether you're a writer, designer, coder, or consultant, there's a vast market awaiting your expertise. Next, we turned our attention to online teaching. In a world hungry for knowledge, sharing your expertise can generate a substantial income. From language lessons to coding tutorials, the possibilities are endless. Finally, we ventured into e-commerce. Selling products online, whether they're handcrafted goods or sourced items, opens up a global marketplace right at your fingertips. Remember, making money online requires consistent effort and the willingness to learn. So, get started today and unlock your online earning potential.